And here we are for the Duke's Choice Awards 2018. All right, who's excited about this? You call that excited? I want to hear excited. Come on. All right, there we go. Good. All right, everyone. We are not only live here in the exhibition floor, in the exhibition hall, we're also live across the world. All right, so everyone at home, shout out. All right. Okay. So, very, very pleased to be here again and have the honor of bestowing these awards on these top projects and individuals from the Java ecosystem. This is an award that started in 2003, so we've been doing it for a while now. There are a bunch of winners out there, but it is still a very exclusive club, okay? So everyone who is winning one of these today should be extremely proud. And the rest of you should be proud of them. You should congratulate them, give them a hard time, buy them a beer, whatever you think is appropriate. All right, so here we go. Without further ado, first winner of the Duke's Choice Award. This is recognition for innovation, and it goes to Apache NetBeans. All right, and we have a number of representatives from the Apache NetBeans team. About 10 of us. I don't know if the stage is going to make it. All right, you know what, guys? Let's do this, okay? We're going to be too many people to take a picture at once, but we'll just try to bring it in, all right? We're going to give it a try. All right, and now there's one more thing here, which is we have to hold the Duke's Choice statue, and I'm just going to hand off the mic for a sec.
Like you, short in the front. Right, come on. Yes, very short. Yes. Okay, right here, guys. All right. Yay! One more over here. All right.
Okay, and the second Innovation Recognition Award goes to Luke Hutchinson and ClassGraph. Okay, and now the next Innovation Recognition Award goes to Ruslan Sinetsky from Jelastic. All right, the next one I know you're going to cheer for. This is a very popular one. It is to Bert Jan Schrijver from J-Point. Here we go. All right, we have the honor of the whole J-Point team being here, so you guys got to bring it in. Okay, the next award is for a very innovative project, bringing you smaller things every day. Microprofile IO, Josh Juno. Okay, and Josh wants everyone to know that's really for the entire community working on Microprofile. All right, here we go. Next one is Yusuke Yamamoto for Twitter 4J. Okay, next one, a fairly new project, also on the theme of smaller is better. Joe DePaul from Project Helidon. Good job, guys. Okay, and the final Duke's Choice Award for 2018 is community recognition. And this goes to the Bulgarian Java users group. All right, let's go, guys. All right, everyone. And that does it for this year's installment of the Duke's Choice Awards. Please be sure to congratulate all these wonderful folks and support these projects. And I'll look forward to seeing you all next year. Thanks so much.